this is the brain. Okay. The brain is divided into different lobes, and each lobe is divided usually by the sulcus. First we have the central sulcus. This is a prominent groove on the lateral surface of the cerebral hemisphere that separates the frontal and the parietal lobe. It plays a crucial role in defining the primary motor cortex anteriorly and the primary sensory motor cortex posteriorly. So first we have the frontal lobe. The frontal lobe is responsible for control over many of our abilities, including the way we think, how we move, and the way we remember things. It's also a key part in our social skills and helps you understand and control how you talk, behave, and interact with each other. Okay, and this is the parietal lobe. It's vital for sensory perception and integration, including the management of taste, hearing, sight, touch, and smell. It is home to the brain's primary sensory area, a region where the brain interprets input from other areas of the body. And next we have the occipital lobe, way in the back. It's responsible for visual perception, including color, form, and motion. And to divide the brain from the top and the bottom, we have this lateral sulcus. It separates the temporal lobe from the frontal and parietal lobes. And so we have this is the temporal lobe. It helps us use our senses to understand and respond to the world around us. And we also have this tiny part under here. This is the cerebellum. It's traditionally associated with motor coordination and balance. So if here, your balance is going to be off. Okay. And the brain is separated into two hemispheres, left and right, by this line called the longitudinal fissure. It's like a very deep groove thingy. It separates the brain into the left and right hemispheres, of course. And this is the right hemisphere. It is linked with creativity, intuition, and holistic thinking. This is also the hemisphere that controls the left side of our body, meaning that if someone is left-handed, this side of the brain controls it. Next, we have the left hemisphere. It is associated with logic, analytical thinking, and language processing. This is the hemisphere that controls the right side of our body. Okay. Under the brain, we have the pons. It's like right here. It kind of, in a normal brain, it kind of like bulges out. It sets your body's level of alertness when you wake up. It manages pain signals, and it relays and regulates the signals that give you the sensation of pain from anywhere below of your underbody below the neck. And we have the medulla oblongata. It manages the heart, circulation, and breathing. Next, we have this thing over here. This is the pituitary gland. It is a small gland that makes and controls many of our hormones. It's also called the master gland because it tells the other glands in the body what to do. The pituitary gland controls growth, metabolism, blood pressure, and reproduction. We have this is the optic chiasm. It's responsible for transmitting visual information. This intersection helps our brain combine what both of our eyes see. And finally, this is called the olfactory bulb. It receives information about smells from the nose and sends it to the brain by the way of the olfactory tracts.